Hey, what's up guys? This is Michael here, also known as Rail Chief 74, and I'm bringing you all a little update video on the 2243 Lionel Santa Fe F3 from 1955. Now, before I run this on the test bench and tell you guys how I fixed this, I just want to thank you all for giving me a lot of suggestions in the comments section below in my previous video. I mean, it really means the world a lot to me that you guys are always here to help me in case I'm having a problem with one of my engines or any of my accessories, and it really means a lot to me. So thank you all for giving me some of your best advice and some of your best solutions on how to repair this engine. And so without further ado, let me tell you guys how I managed to fix the engine here. So what I found out is that when I took the E-unit out of the chassis, I flipped the underside of the E-unit over and noticed that there was a finger inside the contact unit which was rubbing against the wheel. I noticed that one of the fingers was bent, and that was the main reason why this engine wouldn't go in reverse. It only went in forward. And I basically took one of my screwdrivers here and just gently bent the tab back into position, and now it works perfectly. So let me just turn on the track power here and show you all how it operates now. So here we have neutral, forward, neutral, reverse, neutral, and then back to forward. And there you have it. So again, I just wanted to thank you guys for helping me out in finding a way to repair the engine here. So I'm going to put the locomotive back together and run it on the layout for you guys. And before I end the video with the running session, I also want to say, if you guys are interested in repairing your own post-war Lionel trains, don't forget to check out the maintenance and repair guide for post-war Lionel locomotives and accessories, which was made by TM Books and Videos back in 2011, and you can still buy it on Amazon today. And I'll also have a link down in the description. So anyway, without further ado, let me put the engine back together, and we'll run the train for you guys. Well, that's all we have in today's episode, guys. So before I end the video here, I just want to say once again, thank you all for helping me in working on this repair of the 2243 Santa Fe F3. It's been a while since I repaired Lionel post-war trains, and I really want to get back into the swing of things, mainly because I've been doing a lot of running around lately, and I haven't had much time to come down into the basement to work on the layout or any of the locomotives that I have. So it's really good to get back into the swing of things, like I said before. So again, thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell down below for any other videos that I upload. And if you guys want to follow me on other types of social media, you can follow me at railchief74 at instagram.com. And you guys can follow me at railchief74 at TikTok as well. So anyway, that's it for today's episode. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, guys.